Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the online scary pop-ups that are coming from the website mfe.com. mfe.com. These pop-ups claim to be related to some decent security software. The names of these programs are mentioned, but in reality, pop-ups by the site m-fe.com are not related to these decent security programs. So, in other words, the developers of these pop-ups by the site mfe.com use the names and the logos of decent security programs to scare people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. As you can also clearly see, these pop-ups by the site mfe.com display some frustrating alerts mentioning that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, or some other scary messages may be used in this case. If you click on this Proceed button, you will be forwarded to some other questionable website that may promote a totally different software, not the one that has been initially advertised. So you need to be very careful not to tolerate these pop-ups. They are not related to these decent security applications. They are the typical scam. And the purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. In case you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, you should do something immediately. In our particular case, these pop-ups came up on Windows computer. On Mac computer. So you need to carefully research your available Mac applications and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. In case you don't remember installing them based on your own decision, just get rid of them. If you have such troubles and such pop-ups on your Windows computer, check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. I would also recommend you to investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly remain on your computer. You may get the latest version of Combo Cleaner antivirus on the official website combocleaner.com. You may select the version either for Mac computers or for Windows computers. Download Combo Cleaner antivirus using this green download button. This is the way the program looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, but in spite of that, certain free features are available. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching your computer and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scanning. As for the free features of Combo Cleaner antivirus, they are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Even with these 3 features, your computer will start working much faster, and the program being powerful will help you to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly remain on the system. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program will begin researching your computer, and it will give you the summary of threats at the end of scanning. Based on this information, you'll be able to know the locations of threats, the threat names, and you'll be able to remove all such threats manually, but we do recommend upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to remove these threats automatically and to have your computer protected in the future. So just wait until the scanning is over to see the complete summary of what's going on with your Windows or Mac computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus.